السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters of my channel, Mr. Azib. I hope that you're well. Today I will make another example, but an advanced example. Okay? Just follow step by step and you will see it's very easy. In this example, I will use predefined functional interface. Remember, I have said before, we have predefined functional interface that exists before Java 1.8. For example, Runnable, callable, action listener, comparable, okay? So in this example, I will use a Runnable predefined functional interface. I will have to use thread. Of course, I have said before, you must have this requirement of Java, basic Java. Okay, if it's necessary, if you need Java course from scratch also, it will be very, very long, no problem. But if you need it, I will do it, inshallah, no problem. Okay, step by step like this to understand Java also. Okay, but it's necessary to have this requirement to understand this example. So I will use the thread in Java. A lot of don't like thread. I don't know. I'm one of them. When I have started Java, I remember when I listen thread, it's very difficult to implement. So don't worry, I will make just simple example about thread. So to use thread in Java, we have two ways. The first one is to extend from the third class. Okay. The second is to implement Runnable interface. That's what I will use in this example. So I will create my class, for example, my class, same thing, then implement Runnable. Okay, it's without Lambda expression. Always I will start with the example without Lambda expression, after to jump with Lambda expression. And after this, what I will do? In this class, I must implement the method run. Okay? That's the method, one abstract method in Runnable interface. I must define this method. So in the run method, I will just make a for loop. Okay? From I to 0 to 7. I will make the system.out.println child thread of I. Okay? Simple thing. This is the implementation of my method. What my thread will do. Okay? This part. Now I will create main class to call this thread. Okay? So I have main class. Same step is to create thread by Runnable air equal new my class. Okay, this is the first thing. And now I will create a thread with class thread t, thread as you want, equal new thread but with parameter of Runnable that I have created. I mean with parameter air. Okay? And now what I will do, I just make thread or t dot start. I will call the method to start the thread. Okay? After this, I can add another for loop for the main method, for example, for I dot until 5 with system.out.println main thread of I. Okay? Just in the very simple example, but here you must understand two things. Here when I have start the main method, okay, I have the thread of the main method. I have just one thread until the method t.start. Okay? I have always, until this moment, I have only one thread. When I call the method t.start, here I have the second thread of the child. Okay? So I have two threads. The main thread and the child thread. Okay? When I call, of course, t.start, not before. Okay? So now you must understand, I think I have said you have this Java requirement, the concept of a thread. So I have two threads, okay? And this is the simple implementation without Lambda expression, okay? Now, let's make the change of this program to Lambda expression, okay? Let's do it. Here we don't need the my class that implement Runnable interface. We don't need it, okay? We know in interface Runnable we have a run method, okay? So how to make Lambda expression without implementing Runnable? In the main class too, in the main method, when I create the instance of Runnable, here I will define the Lambda expression. Okay, let's practice or let's apply a different rule, step by step. So we don't have the parameter, so I will let the parentheses, empty parentheses, simple arrow, and now I have for loop, and here I have more statements, a lot of statements, not one, not just one, okay? It is not single statement. So I let the curly braces, I can't remove them, okay? So it will be, I will just write the for loop from 0 to 7, system dot orbital end, child, thread, child thread of plus I, okay? After this, I will create the same thing. I will close, of course, the curly braces. And here I have finished my Lambda expression. Good, it's finished. Now I will continue my program. I will come back to the main method. Okay? So I will create the thread T equal new thread of R, of Runnable. And I will make the same thing, T dot start. I will add another loop for the main thread, okay? With system.out.println of main thread plus E. Just to see the difference between the child and the main thread. Okay, just for this, huh? I can remove it, but only to make the difference. So here, the most important thing is to understand how to convert the previous method to new method with Lambda expression of Runnable interface. Okay, as you have seen, I don't use the class that implement Runnable. I haven't defined run method also. Okay, and now if it works or not, we must go to the computer to see the result. Okay, so let's jump to the computer, inshallah, to execute the program without Lambda expression and with Lambda expression, and we will see the result. Okay, so let's go. So here is my different file that contain interface, the class. So here is the class that implement Runnable, and here is the main class for calling this Runnable. Okay, so now I will execute this method and to see the result. Let's go. Run Java. Here is the result. If I execute a new one, I will don't get a new result, huh? Normally. Okay, let's go. Here it's very quick. Okay, it's the same thing, but it can change. Okay, as you can see, it is not the same result because it is not sequential, as you can see. Okay, so it's the concept of thread parallelism. And now I will jump to the second class with Lambda expression. Okay, here is it. And the most important thing, if it works or no, okay, the result will be the same or no. We must not get, it is not necessary to get the same result because it is a thread. We have two separate threads. So let's see if it works or no. Okay, let's go. Good. Okay, we can run again. It works perfectly. Good. As you can see, the result will be different. It's thread. Okay. So as you can see, I have defined the function, the Lambda expression for the Runnable interface without creating a new class and implement Runnable. It's very easy. So I have showed you how to invoke a Lambda expression using functional interface with predefined functional interface, for example, Runnable. I hope that you have understand this concept, how to do it, and now it is familiar for you. If it is not the case, review again this video or practice with another example. For example, do mathematical operation with another expression, implement for callable, for action listener, do what you want, okay? Until you understand this concept, how to write Lambda expression, also how to convert it to Lambda expression. Now, this first part of the video of the course was finished, and inshallah I will start always a new topic in next video using always Lambda expression. Always I will use it, always. Yeah, we are annoying with this. No, don't worry about this, but it's very important to understand this concept. Okay, so see you inshallah in the next video. I hope that you have liked this course until this moment. If it's the case, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.